Dun dun dun. Hi, it's Chris. Welcome back to the sea that's something else, Amazon. And what are we doing today? I've always wanted a cool frying pan. I always wanted a wok. So today we're gonna wok and roll with my new one. Where's my Amazon receipt? Hooah! This is the TeeWee, T-E-E-W-E-E, carbon steel wok, 13-inch stir-fry pan non-stick. Lid, spatula, dish, brush, and pre-seasoned. So let's check it out. And then we're gonna make some cheese steaks. And a wok, yeah man, it's America. So number one, you get a cool bag. In about 35 or 40 seconds, we're gonna hear my dog freak out because he just took a poop. That's good for a cooking video, isn't it? Good visual. Inside of here we have a steel lid with a nice handle. It's like a wood grainish vents for steam vents. Nice. You also get an accessory packet which includes a spatula. Yes, I'm going to wash all this crap off before I use it. Spatula with a silicone grade metal half tang bamboo woodish handle. You get a brush to wash it with a little handle. Tie it on a thing and wash it, scrub it. You get a handle which is wood and a metal thing with a screw in it. But man, she's a deep girl. Wish I had a gas stove, but I got crappy electric. So the TeeWee wok product manual. At least it's in English. Pre-seasoned non-stick. How to install a wok. Match the wooden handle to the hole and attach the wooden handle to the wok. Insert the metal stick from the box and twisting the handle tight. Use the metal stick slowly rotating into the hole of the wooden handle. And there you go. You get an extra one for when you break it. Make sure you put it on right. And then we screw this thing in. It's got a washer on there so you don't over tighten it. That's cool because it's like heat, whatever. There we go. And you can hang this dude from like a pot holder. Now we're ready to wok and roll after I wash this. 1 second. Today we're rocking Philly Gourmet. 100% pure beef. Sliced steaks, chopped thin. They're like not steakums, but they're steakums. You know, steakums. You're cooking steakums for a frying pan review? Yeah, pretty much. I'm just gonna beat the crap out of them all. I'm making the whole pack. Jeez, a whiz, come on. Human meat. Alright. Now, in theory, you could go like this, and we could watch steam come out of that hole. Because that would be cool. So like every good dish, we're going to use some pink Himalayan salt, some fresh ground pepper, and I would use the real stuff, but I'm going to use some granulated garlic. You can let these kind of heat up a little bit while I clean up my mess. And we're going to be using the kosher brand with a little magic U and normal ingredients, not goy slop. Old time 647s. I also have Pepperidge Farm onion rolls, but yeah. Okay, let's start chopping some crap and see how this thing works. Let's just give it a flip. You can see some of them are cooking. Mainly the hot spot, of course, is going to be on the center and the bottom. But that's okay. Break these up a little bit. I don't like my steaks minced. This is Pennsylvania, so you want them kind of like torn. Not a lot of chopping power to this included wok thing. Guess I should put more heat into this turd. But I do like the center hot spots, the outer cool. I think you could do some fancy hiya crap. I'm just making steakums. Big pot. I do like how the lid fits really good. A little bit of steam seepage here, it's me. Steam hole for pressure, I guess, I don't know. This gets hot. Hell, you could even toast some buns up here, I guess. Warm them up. Wish I had smell-o-vision. Smell-o-vision would be neat. Now, draining this is going to be a problem. I don't know how much of this is water. On that bread, we're going to put some Duke's mayo. It is pretty easy to cook with. Alright, I'm going to kill my heat because this thing is hot enough. And I'm just going to load this thing up with cheese. You can put minced onions in it. I have a picky child. On my bread, I got romaine lettuce and just some Duke's mayonnaise. I can cover this up to let the heat melt my cheese. This will be a really good with some stir fry or like a General Tso's chicken kind of thing. Maybe I'll do that in the future. I just wanted to record me using this. I like cooking stuff. You've asked for more cooking videos. I know this is a crappy cheese steak thing, but I just want to check out this pan. Did I do this right? I think this has to go like the other way because I'm dumb. Why don't you do it afterwards? There we go. So the flat handle goes on top. There. Yep. There we go. A lot more comfortable. Okay. One cheese steak. Strings. A little bit of grease there. Makes it flavorful. Boom. One cheesesteak. So that's the TeeWee WOK with its included spatula scoopy thing. Has a little spoon thing built in. And a nice lid. I really like the lid with 3 holes. And I'm going to do some more stuff on this again. You can get yours in the links in the description below. I'm not sponsored. I just, you know, have insomnia and ADHD. And thanks for watching. Hope you learned something.
That boy is good. Good and terrible.
What do you know from funny, you bastard?